Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditi.
Yes,
Aditi
sir.
Sukladas.
Yes, sir.
अकीद दोनों प्रेजेंट है, अदिति एंड अदिति शुक्लादास. ओके. अक्कीदास. अनामिका. अंकिता.
Present, sir.
अंकिता प्रेजेंट.
Yes, sir.
अनुश्री. बर्नाली. विस्मिता. एलिजाबेथ. कविता.
Yes, sir.
कविता प्रेजेंट.
Yes, sir.
ओके. कृति. लीजा.
Present, sir.
परोमा. लीजा प्रेजेंट. परोमा. प्रज्ञा. राची.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
प्रज्ञा प्रेजेंट और राची प्रेजेंट.
Sir, Pragya. Rachi.
दोनों दोनों प्रेजेंट, प्रज्ञा एंड राची.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके ओके. थोड़ा प्लीज अलर्ट रहिए बिकॉज सफरी हलम. कर्नाक्षी.
Present, sir.
कर्नाक्षी प्रेजेंट. अभिजीत. अभिक दास. अनिक. भुवन सेठिया. विकास.
Yes, sir.
विक्रम. विकास प्रेजेंट. विकास प्रेजेंट.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके. विक्रम. विप्रजित. देवजीत. ऋतिक. कृष्णनु. मानिक.
Yes, sir.
दिगांका.
Yes, sir.
निखिल.
Yes, sir.
पराग. पराग प्रेजेंट. रोहन. रोहेल दास.
Present, sir.
सप्तक. रोहेल दास प्रेजेंट. सप्तक. सप्तर्षि दास.
Yes, sir.
सयन. साहिद. शिवा.
Present, sir.
शिवा प्रेजेंट.
Sahid present.
साहिद प्रेजेंट. अरे वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, बी अलर्ट हियर. इट इज लाइक दैट. नेक्स्ट शिवा एब्सेंट. शिवा नहीं है ना. सौविक क्रांति. सौरभ सॉरी सौरभ घोष. सौविक क्रांति. शिवम चक्रवर्ती. सौहांग. तनुमय. सुहीन. उज्जवल शर्मा.
Present, sir.
मानसी. मानसी प्रेजेंट नहीं है. टोटल 18 आया ना.
सर मेरा अटेंडेंस नहीं हुआ.
व्हाट इज योर नेम? हु?
अनुश्री मलाकार.
अनुश्री.
सर मेरा भी.
आई टोल्ड बट ये बाद में ज्वाइन हो गया था. और किस किसका नहीं आया?
सर मी परोमा. मेरा.
परोमा. परोमा भी आई टोल्ड. ओके.
सर अनुश्री मलाकार.
अनुश्री.
हाँ.
अनुश्री. अनुश्री मरकद. ओके हो गया.
ओके सर.
Sir, your voice is not coming, sir.
No, no, I didn't speak anything. No, I'm not speaking anything.
Yes, sir, coming.
I'm noting. Just I'm noting down this attendance. One. Okay. But here on the first class, when I see that there is a very good strength in the class. Starting 25 से ज़्यादा है. And now I am finding very less strength. Please take the initiative and make a call to your friends how to join in the class. If there is a network problem, ask them to write a letter with the parent sign and send it to me. Okay? And your class strength should be increased. Now let us start our class. Is it audible and visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us go for the algebraic identities in the exercise 2.5. I told you to solve the exercise problem solve, and whatever the doubts you are having, let us discuss in the class. I told. Okay. So you tell me one by one. First 4 problems I think we have completed. In the 5th problem, what is the doubt you are having? Only doubts we will discuss here, because I told you to do the problem. 5th bit, second one, shall I explain to you? Okay. As you may not ask, exercise 2.5, 6th bit, second problem, if you see that. The question is here, it is given to you. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. Okay. Now this is here it is given. This it is asking to you to factorize. So can you tell me that before you factorize that, you need to know that exactly what is meant by factorization? Writing the given expression as a product of other expressions which cannot be factorized again is called as a factorization. Factorizing. Suppose if you take into consider number 12, if you take 12 can be written as 2 into 6. It is not called factorization. Prime factorization actually in case of numbers. Factorization is nothing but a 6 and a 2 into 6. That 6 cannot be again further factorized. Then you can say, means if the number whatever it is there, again it cannot be written as a product. Then it is called complete factorization. So now here this, if you observe properly, it is in the form of in the what form you are having here, this one? It is in the form of the a plus b plus c whole square. What is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square, Saptarshi? Saptarshida? A plus b plus c whole square. All, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your sound is clear, sir.
Please you speak little bit with a low voice. My ears are going. Yes, tell me. Saptarshi. Can you tell me? Okay, anyone else?
A square plus B square plus C square plus 2A plus 2BC plus 2CA.
Very good. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC. So you may get out, sir, here plus nahi hai, plus nahi hai, plus nahi hai. So in what two places you are having the minus you observe, and in that two places what the variable you are having, common variable, that variable will be the negative. The remaining two variables will be positive. Here it is having in two places negative. So these two places, if you are having negative, okay, in these two places, what variable you are having? X variable may be negative. So that's why whenever you express this one as a 2x square, if you are expressing as a perfect square, root 2x you need to write minus root 2x whole square plus y square plus, because why do we take this one only minus, why do we take this one plus means, here if you observe that these two places are having negative, okay, and that two places contains the x. So there is another way of writing the solution also. I will explain to you after completion of this one. Okay. Next, here if you see that y square, and this can be written as 8 ka square root of 8 is nothing but 2 root 2 you will get. 2 root 2 whole square, if you do, what is it? 2 square, 4. Root 2 whole square, 2. So which is equals to 8. So 8 can be written as 2 root 2 whole square. 8 can be written as 2 root 2 whole square. So you write this one as a 2 root 2 z whole square minus. Now don't write the minus, only write the plus. A square हो गया, B square हो गया, C square हो गया. So plus 2AB. 2, A is nothing but minus root 2x, B is nothing but y. So if you multiply this one, will you get this or not, you check. If you multiply these, will you get this one or not, you check. Next, plus 2BC. 2B. B is nothing but y. C is nothing but, C place में what do you have? 2 root 2 z. So you are having 2 root 2 z. 2bc. 2ca. C is what here? C is 2 root 2 z.
Sir, the board
2
is
root
blurred.
2z. 2ca. A is nothing but minus
Video is
root 2a.
sir.
For all it is blur. For
Yes,
all.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are not. Okay. I'll rejoin again. Can you? Is it visible to you? Is it visible
Sir,
to you?
the board is blur.
Sir, the board is blur.
That is wait for a minute. We'll see whether it will clear or not. My voice is audible to you.
Yes, sir.
But not visible. Now,
No, sir.
not aud- not visible to you.
Yes, sir. It, sir, it is blur.
Yes, sir. Still it is blur.
Now, can you hear me? And visibility,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
visibility is there.
Yes, sir.
ओके सबको दिखाई दे रहे हैं?
Yes, sir. हाँ, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So here in this, what you need to do, a square, b square, and c square. Here, if you see that this is by observing in what identity form it is there, that you need to identify. In what identity form it is there, that you need to identify. A square plus b square plus c square minus plus 2ab plus 2bc. Like that, it is we need to turn into that form. A plus b plus c whole square, what? A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So that form we need to exactly extract. Is it visible to you now? Now okay?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Again, it is disturbing.
तो नेटवर्क बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, बारिश हो रहे है बेटा, बाहर बारिश हो रहे है, तो as just can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Keep the textbooks in front of you. Let us discuss some different problems, because as we are wasted, and you people try the problems, and then in the tomorrow's class we need to complete this chapter, and next we will go for the fourth chapter. Third chapter. Next we will go for the third chapter. Is the third chapter? Third chapter is okay. Now here in this, let us discuss what are the different problems we are having. Any one of you? ये problem में, in this problem actually 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2x square plus 4 root 2 yz it is given. First you have to observe that you need to see that if it is visible to you to the board, sometimes automatically it comes to you visibility, then you inform me.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is visible to the one member means at least class will be recorded in a proper way and you can view it afterwards. Antika, it is visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now here. Now if you see that, sir, you may get those, sir, why do you take here minus? If you not take the minus also, you will get the right. Means root 2x square, root 2x whole square also, minus root 2x whole square also will be equals to 2x square also. But here, why do we take minus? Means you have to observe the two terms where do you have the negative, and in that terms what is x square. Then after we have written these first three terms in the form of the a square plus b square plus c square. Next plus 2ab plus 2bc. Whether after writing this one, whether you will get exactly this one or not, you need 2. 2 to the 4. Root 2 is the root 2, 2. 4 to the 8. Minus 8x. Yes. Yes, it is right. Now this is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is equals to a plus b plus c whole square. So this is an identity, algebraic identity we are using. So now in the place of the x, you write root x. In the place of a, you write root x, 2 root x. In the place of the b, you write y. In the place of the z, you write 2 root 2 z. This is whole square. Or this can be written in another way also. How? Can anyone tell? Suppose if you are having for the two places negative, if you take here any one variable negative, you will get any one variable negative, you will get negative. So if you take y negative here and z negative here, you will get negative. So that means this can also be written as in the same way. Another way I am writing this one here I am writing. This line. You can write here y and z both negatives you need to take. Because negative into negative positive you will get automatically. So you need to take y negative. y negative. So y negative and x is positive, root 2x whole square, y negative and z also negative, minus 2 root 2 zx whole square. In the next after a है, b है, c है. 2ab, 2bc, 2ca, right? 2ab, sorry, 2ab. ab is nothing but root 2x. b is nothing but minus y. Now see, this one you will get minus 2 root 2 xy. In these two variables, as this is a negative, these two variables, any one should be negative. Only one should be negative. As it is positive, in these two variables, both should be positive or both should be negative. This point everyone have to be remembered. Either both should be positive or both should be negative. Next here, 8xz. Here minus is there, so any one negative. So if you take these two negative, so this negative, this negative. If you take these two positive, then x should be taken as a negative. So x is taken negative. So if you write this one, root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2 z whole square. So this is also right, this is also right. If you factorize this one. How it is possible, sir? Both, how it is possible? From this you take the minus common. From this you take the minus common. Then what do you get here? Root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2 z we will get, and it's the whole square level. Then minus negative का square is nothing but positive हो जाएगा. Then we will get root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2 z whole square. ये आ गया. So this can be written in multiple ways. So that I am saying to you. Multiple means two ways. If you write in any way, then the solution is right. Okay. So next thing is 6th bit. I think you can do it in easiest way. Just a plus b whole cube expansion, a minus b whole cube expansion. 7th one also you can do it. That is also a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. 8th factorization is given to you. That I will explain to you. That also you can do it. It's not a very difficult to you to do. Not more difficult. Time is there. Okay. Did you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Visibility is there, Ujjwal?
ब्लर हो रहा है
थोड़ा ब्लर हो रहा है और ज्यादा
सर, थोड़ा थोड़ा.
Okay. Now here let us go for the 8th problem. 8th problem, if you see that, the 8th bit में which one will take? We will take the second one. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So what is a plus b whole cube formula, Aditi Shukladas?
Yes, sir.
A plus b whole cube.
Sir, a cube plus b, a cube a plus b plus 3ab into a plus b.
Once again.
Sir, a plus b into ab. No, sir. Sir, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b.
Very good, very good. A cube plus b. And another form? Can anyone tell the...
A cube plus b cube plus b plus b cube.
Bismita, wait. Bismita, wait.
Sir?
Bismita, wait. Aditi, let her say.
Yes, sir. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square.
Very good, very good. Now, if you observe this one, this is in that form. Sir, minus है ना? Minus होता है तो क्या है? Let it be minus. A plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube both are same. In the place of the b, if you take the minus, automatically it is a minus b whole cube you are going to get. Okay? That doesn't matter. In the place of a, what you are having, you write here 2a whole cube plus b का place में minus b लिखो. Minus b whole cube is equals to b cube. Next plus 3a square. You don't see this one. Here what is a we have written? 2a. So you write 2a square and b. If you simplify this, whether you will get this one or not, you have to check. 2 square value 4 है, 4 3 जा 12 है, 12 आया. a square value a square है, b है minus 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 b. Yes, if you simplify this minus 12 a square b, you will get it. Next plus 3 a b square. a place में 2a है, b square is nothing but minus b whole. Now if you see this one, what do you get here? 3a b square. Okay, so now if you see this one, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square, which is equals to a plus b whole cube. In the place of a, we are having 2a. In the place of b, you are having minus b whole cube. That's all. Simple. All the problems you can do like this only. It is not difficult to you to do. Is it visible? ब्लर हो रहे होगा, मुझे भी ऐसा ही लग रहा है.
हाँ सर ब्लर है.
मुझे तो इधर सही दिख रहे हैं. I can see it properly.
Sir.
Yes.
So we can also write this solution as a minus b whole cube also.
हाँ. You can write a minus b whole cube use करके भी कर सकते हैं. And if you want here, if second term you take the minus and the middle term you take, and formula you write as a cube minus b cube minus 3 a square b plus 3ab square. Then also you can write. It's not a wrong thing, that is, if you write like that. Okay. Next, ninth problem you can do it. Verify करना है. How do you verify that x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into? Verify कैसे करते हैं? How do you verify?
So x plus y whole cube. So we will use the formula x plus y whole cube.
No. Ninth problem, it is given that the question is verify the first bit is x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, did you understand? How do we verify? Tell me. Verify is nothing but right answer left answer both same होना है. तो ये right answer ले लो and multiply it. RHS you take into consider. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So how do you multiply? X into x square minus xy plus y square plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Two terms are there in the first expression, and these two terms you need to take. Next, if you expand it, x cube minus x square y plus xy square plus yx square minus xy square plus y cube. xy square ये प्लस है माइनस है, दोनों कैंसिल. ये x square y, ये भी x square y. This is plus and this is minus. These two will get changed. What it remains? X cube plus y cube. So which is LHS. RHS is nothing but क्या है? Right hand side. RHS is nothing but right hand side. Right hand side, whatever it is given, that is. So you may get doubt. Now, the interesting fact I'm going to say. So you may get doubt that, sir, is it possible to us by taking LHS, RHS? RHS ले लिया है. From there, you got as LHS. Last में, because multiply करें. Is it possible to us if it is given this one? ये दे दिया है हमको. और इधर से इसको निकालना है. Means factorize करना है. You try this one at home and we will discuss in next class. Factorization. How do you factorize the cubic polynomial? Do you know? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Cubic polynomial को factorize कर लिया है.
Yes, sir.
That factorization, how we did? We need to use the remainder theorem. X का place में y, what number? Y को some number मान लो. Just you consider it as a y as a number. And you try. x क्यूब प्लस 2 क्यूब ले लो. x क्यूब प्लस 2 क्यूब को कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? Once you try as you tried in the factorization problem, then you will come to know. If not, I will explain to you very clearly. I know that, but I need to give a time to you. So you need to become a scientist. Experiments in mathematics also you need to do. ये ऐसा करते तो क्या होगा, ऐसा करते तो क्या होगा. What to do, what we need to do. These are all only called as an experiment. Okay. So now here 10th problem is factorizing. तो ये प्रॉब्लम कैसे यूज करते हैं, वैसे फैक्टराइज करना पड़ता है. See here, do remember right. सुनो मैं एक yes.
So I have a doubt.
What?
So in the question number 9, what you have said now, can we use the formula x plus y whole cube to make it that LHS equal to RHS?
X plus y whole cube. Oh, that's what I am going to say actually. So there is two formulas for which there are two formulas I told you for x cube plus y cube. One is x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Sorry. Isn't it? सही है ना?
So the board is
plus
blank.
y cube. Huh? Board is blank. Okay. Can you hear me? X cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube can be written as x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Isn't it? If you write like that, is it called as a factorization? X cube plus y cube का factorize करो बोल के बोला है. X cube plus y cube का factorize करने के लिए बोला. So if it is said like that, if you write it as a x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y, is that becomes a factorization? No, it won't call as a factorization, because we are not writing in that. You see that in that formula we are not having as a product, we are having it as a sum, because x plus y whole cube minus बोल रहे हैं ना, minus 3xy into x plus y. This is not a product. If you see the first one, whatever it is given in the question number 9, that is called factorization. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is called as a factorization of x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube का factorization बोले तो बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है, मैं क्लियरली कल एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. बाकी सब प्रॉब्लम्स बिकॉज इन द टुमारोज क्लास द वेदर इज कंप्लीटली covered with the clouds, so that's why it is not visible to you in a proper way, I think. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow in the tomorrow's class, maximum all the problems you complete. One or two doubts if you are having, I will clarify. Then after we will go for the new chapter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And do remember that I want to say to you one thing. Don't leave the class. Wait. It is audible to you, I think so.